Good morning, guys. It's technically October 30th, and we are recording our October 29 episode of the Philippine Stock Exchange Stock Market Insights. And these are the stocks we're going to cover today, as this is only 10 minutes worth. Now, let's talk about BPI. I already have it up on my screen. Guys, BPI is bound to rest or retrace at the moment, considering that for two consecutive days you have a doji. And if a doji appears at the resistance area, then that signifies that there will be a potential retrace that will happen. Now, another indicator is, of course, your RSI, where price was going up over here. Your RSI is slowly declining in its momentum. So you see that. Okay. Now, so for those people who are merely trading the stock, consider taking a profit. And for those who are in it as a long term investor, then you wouldn't really mind these uh, fluctuations in price. The goal there is at any time you see a dip, that's the time you add some more volume. All right. Next would be SMPH. SMPH. SMPH, we have a good bounce. Okay, we have a good bounce, although I still see this yellow line as the resistance. So there's a possibility that we'll have another green day tomorrow, but of course, observe what happens around this 39.55 area, as we might experience again some price rejection. Oops. Next would be JFC. JFC had a good jump today. There you go. Good bounce that happened around the 223 area today. And I was able to also buy some shares today for JFC at 223. So good job. I am, of course, always recommending JFC as for long term investing. So I'm gonna stay there for quite some time. The last time I exited JFC, I was able to around this area 319, I think. Yeah, before this decline happened. So this is already a very good level for those people who are interested in investing here in JFC, because we're at the support area, and there are a lot of bullish movements, big potential for JFC to really climb up again once more. So from anywhere from 223 to 229 is a good entry price for JFC. MBT. MBT. Okay. There's a dividend. Let's see what this is. October 28th. Okay, 13% dividend. October 28th. Okay, so I hope some of you guys who have entered here, good job to all of you. You had a lot of opportunity here while the price was going down, and some consolidation that happened here. Now, let's see. This is already a bit high for JFC. Not super high though, but you're already have seen resistance at the level where it is at right now. Here, reason for saying that is I see price rejection happening here, here. Now it managed to break that, and then there's some consolidation that happened here, making it as a support. However, it was not sustained, and we have experienced a breakdown in the price. Now, for several months, it declined, and it hit this level one more time as the resistance, and I see that there was a rejection that happened over there. So I would have to say MBT might retrace and might go back in probably 62.35 area one more time. So how do I screen my support from where it is at right now? Screen an area where you see price stopping at multiple times. So the most obvious one is, of course, here. Okay, price stops here, over here, also here, and it became a resistance when there was a price breakdown. So I'm thinking it will go back and revisit this one more time. So if you are interested in entering MBT, wait for your opportunity, as I believe we will be able to haggle at a much cheaper price. Also consider your RSI over here. You are already at the overbought, yeah, overbought level. And normally when it's overbought, that would mean, of course, price is starting to look expensive. Okay, so those are your key areas to watch out for. Next would be east west. East west slowly gaining some bullish moves here. Although, let's see. This is the resistance that I see, temporary resistance for east west, where it is sitting at right now. Okay, look at that. Still doing sideways movement overall with just big dips and bounce or waves, I mean. So if it'll go back, it will just go back potentially at the MA20 level, where you have 1205, 1207, around that level. Then hopefully it continues to go up. There you go. All right, but this is the temporary resistance, short-term resistance that I am seeing. CHP. CHP, you have a good bounce. This is the support, 2.40, 2.41. Okay, that's the support we see. So I'm thinking we'll have some more bullish movements for CHP. Okay, good entry price around 2.40 level. Nickel had a, was it yesterday or today that we had a massive jump? Oh, it was today, but unfortunately it was not sustained. You had a gap a gap up that happened today, but looks like it will fill the gap first. Okay, I would have to say it might revisit this MA20 level, 3.97 level again before it goes up further. Let's see what happens around 3.96, 3.97 area where you have the MA20 line, because normally that's where price bounces. Yeah. Now, for now, be extra careful. This is a doji that happened at the resistance area. So check out what happens in at 303 level. Okay, so it's still overall doing sideways here. No big movements so far for now. So 3.03, wait for the price to stabilize and create a support at that level before you go up. I mean, before you enter. ISM. As for ISM, okay, about to trigger some more uh, bearish movement for ISM. Okay, but in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in the past week, so this is slightly where the price is at right now is slightly lower, but I'm thinking we'll have some more dips. Let's see what happens around 4.64 level. Okay, 4.64 level. Let's wait and see, because we might have some more dips for this stock. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you also subscribe to Miss JD. Check out our YouTube channel. I posted a